Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing Lecturus platform for your learning tool. Today I'm going to show you how to install R Studio. In order to do this, we have to download the R language first. So if you're Windows user or Linux or Mac, you have to download or set up the R Studio R language first. So I will give you the link for R Studio and the R language both below this video. Also, you can just type in the Google like download R Studio for Linux, Mac, or Windows. So first, what we have to do is I have the Windows platform, so I have to download the R for Windows 4.10. If you're watching this video after 1 year or something, it's gonna get upgraded and it's gonna be 4 point something 2 3 or whatever. So here we're gonna install that. We're gonna click on that, and here is installing. So now coming to the R Studio, here you have here's something we have free and the paid. So open source our studio server, we don't need the server, we need our studio desktop. So open source license, we will go there and download our studio desktop open source, right? So here it's saying for Windows, here you have Windows, you have Mac, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, open source, whatever is your operating system. Since I have Windows 10, I will go and download that one. Alright, it's downloading. Meanwhile, we can set up the R language. Alright, it's coming. Yes, English. Just go. That's the agreement or something. Terms and condition. Yeah, just click OK. So I want to make it as a R for studio as a default. Yes, I want to keep it as it is. This is the default settings. I will keep it as it is. Please specify yes or no the click. Do you want to customize the setup? I don't think so. No, I'm not gonna customize. So browse or next. Yes, the default settings is fine. Alright, this process may take a longer time, so I will pause the video and come back to it. Alright. So after downloading it, it comes finish. So now I will download, I'm sorry, now I'm gonna set up the R Studio. Just keep as it is, default, that's fine. It's gonna take a while depending how fast is your computer. My computer is pretty slow because I have a whole bunch of things. So I will pause and come back again. Alright, so we have set up the our studio as well. So now we have to just go ahead and check. Here we have our studio. It's running up and running just fine. Did we install it? It's running or not, just making sure. Alright guys, so I run the RStudio, it came out nice, so I guess we have installed it successfully. So here you can see we have to go to new file where it's gonna show us our script, our notepad, C file, C++ file, HTML, CSS, all those things we will learn as we move forward. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.